Ooh, so slimy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In tonight's video I'll be showing you my exfoliating routine. So I do this twice a week to help me with things like unclogging my pores and also promote like even skin tone and also help with textural patches. So if this is something you want to see, if you want to see the products I use to exfoliate my skin, then please continue watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to do so, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Yeah, so because this is my night routine and during the day I've already like applied sunscreen, and sometimes I also apply like very light makeup, I like to first go in with a cleansing balm or micellar water that would help me take away the makeup or like the extra layers of sunscreen. And I will be using this one from the Inkeylist, which is the oat cleansing balm. It's a very gentle, very hydrating balm, so I use it to just help me with that first cleanse and take away the extra layers of sunscreen or any dirt that might be on my skin. I like to use it on damp skin and then massage it into my skin for a while and then follow up with my water-based cleanser.
Tried to make my eyes look a little less tired, and I'm terrified of losing hope.
So once I've rinsed that out, I follow up with like a water-based cleanser to also help me like get any dirt that the cleansing balm did not take out. And also because this cleansing balm leaves like an oily film on my skin that I really do not like, so I use my water-based cleanser to get rid of dirt and that oily film. And I'll be using this Cerave foaming cleanser. It's a very mild cleanser. It just contains hyaluronic acid, ceramides and niacinamide. It's very gentle and it doesn't strip my skin or leave my skin feeling dry afterwards. So while I've rinsed that off and I let my skin be like a little bit damp, I'll be going in with this Clear's unscented toner to just help prep my skin for the exfoliant and make my skin feel a little bit hydrated, because the exfoliant that I'll be using tends to be a little bit drying on the skin. So I allow like my toner to absorb a bit so that my skin is not like very damp, but it's also not completely dry, because exfoliants are not supposed to be applied on damp skin because that would make them go into your skin faster, which can cause like your skin to be irritated. So I just allow it to soak in and then I follow up with the exfoliant. So now that it's fully absorbed, I will be using this Paulas Choice 2% liquid exfoliant. It's an exfoliant that just has salicylic acid, which is a BHA that would do the work of unclogging and shrinking enlarged pores, smooth and even skin tone. So this is a very strong exfoliant. I've read reviews of people that have like bad reaction to it or it made them break out more, but this exfoliant is very good for my skin. When I use it I actually see a very big difference in my skin, especially the morning after. There's this glow that it gives to my skin that I like. I don't use so much, I just take a very little amount and massage it into my skin and also give it time for it to completely absorb before I continue with the rest of my routine. And because my skin like gets easily irritated from actives like BHA, AHA, retinoids, I always tend to use one of them at a time. I don't like pair more than one active in my routine. So for this night, this is like the only active I would be having in my routine, and I'll just layer it with hydrating serums because active tends to be very drying and I don't want the drying effect from using them on my skin too, because when my skin is dry I found out that it tends to break out more, so I try to keep my skin as hydrated as possible. Yeah, once it is completely absorbed, I go in with this snail mucin essence from Cerave to also help with hydration and also reduce like the drying effect from using like the exfoliant. I just take a couple of drops and ooh, so slimy.
To make my eyes look a little less tired, and I'm terrified of
Then once that is also completely absorbed, I go in with like my Cerave oil-free moisturizer, which is a very hydrating and very lightweight moisturizer. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin, it sinks in really fast, and it also keeps my skin hydrated throughout the night. Yeah.
they see. Why do I let myself get like this? I'm sorry I ever felt like this. I was built from scratch, now crumpled up. I've tried my best just to love myself, but I can't help but feel like this. Like Pinky's crossed, I broke my promise.
And yeah, that's it for my exfoliating routine. That's what I do on nights when I exfoliate. I just use hydrating products, my exfoliant, and then my moisturizer, and that works very effective. That's very effective for my skin. It helps my texture, it helps promote even skin tone, and it also helps me to unclog my pores. Thank you so much for watching, and also do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to do so, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.